We made the movie a few years ago, and with the pandemic, we had to push it. But we thought at that time we were making something special and something that people would really love and enjoy, and certainly the fans of Disney and this ride. And fingers crossed, but I think we made a good one.
It's the happiest place on earth, and I think everyone's in need of a bit of joy and uplift, and the film really represents that. It's full of nostalgia. It's the films you watched when you were growing up as a kid, so you need to be in a setting that's as nostalgic as the film, and that's why it feels perfect. We were so moved even walking through it yesterday. We were like emotional. It's so cool.
We did a walkthrough here, and it was incredible. We went to the amphitheater here, but you could feel the excitement here of something that everybody, the entire company of Disney, the brand of Disney, and everyone involved, and especially just people who want to go back to the movies and watch a great movie. You can feel it.
Well, I think we've all been living in isolation for a while, so it's sort of beautiful, that sense of togetherness and the exposure to people and their love for this film and their excitement it's really infectious. It makes you realize what human beings are supposed to be, which is together and enjoying stuff together, and it's very special.
It was amazing to see all my fans, and they were just going crazy.
There
was really, truly. It was Emily, you look so beautiful. I was like, what about me? They're like, no, who cares about you? Great.
There was a lot of cheers. Look at that.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Look
so
at
many
this
skippers.
event. Welcome to Disney's Jungle Cruise in what should be the most epic and biggest premiere of 2021. It's so good to see you guys all together tonight.
Thank you. It's beautiful being here because the film was made in the spirit of this whimsical, magical place, and it's so beautiful for us to finally be bringing the film out. So thank you all for being here. It's huge.
Big love and applause for the real Disney Jungle Cruise skippers here. All of you are funnier than I am. 1, 2, 3. I hope you like this movie, and without any further ado, guys, enjoy Jungle Cruise.